Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Teeny Titans Go game character, and this time it's gonna be Bizarro. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out in the eye area first. So we're just gonna draw his brow. Just draw like a really wide V shape. Then on the middle here, I'm just gonna draw two lines like this. And then now we're gonna draw in the brow, come out. Just kind of have it slant down slightly. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw in his eyeball. So just one big curve, and then another one in here. So this one is in a slight 3/4 view, so it's not facing us directly. So here we're gonna draw in the eyeball, so I'm just gonna draw in a circle here inside, and then let me shade it in real quick so we can see this better. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw in his nose. So right here, just draw in a V, and then it's on the side here, so it's basically just an M. Okay, and then from here let's draw in his mouth. So his mouth is easy. We're just gonna draw one curve like this first. It's almost like a sad face. And then now we're gonna come down and just kind of curve it. And then here in the middle, we're just gonna come down, just close that off. Okay, so he's got his mouth open, and then for his teeth, so we're gonna draw one here, and then we're gonna draw wider one here, and so we can divide it into two. And then we're gonna draw two more here, just divide that, and then one more on this side, so it's all crooked and weird looking. All right, and then for his tongue, it's just gonna be one curve inside. Okay, so that's the features, and now let's fill in the rest of the head. So right here, just draw a little angle, and then we're gonna come up, just draw a little curve. Okay, and then over here, so same thing, a little bit straighter, just a little angle here, and then we're just gonna come up. Okay, so now we can finish up the hair right here. So right here in the middle, we can make a little point here, and then we're gonna come up, and this one's gonna go all the way past this point. And now we're just gonna come down and just connect that. Okay, and then right here, we're gonna draw one angle, two, and then let's add one more here outside. And then whatever space you have here, you can just close that off. And then now for the top of the head, so we're just gonna come across and then just come down. All right, so very strange looking hair. And then now for the bottom of the face, so we're just gonna come down here. So it's just gonna be very chiseled, like a square. Come across, and then the jawline will just come up and just stop. And then now let's finish up the head by drawing the ear right here. So right on the corner, we're just gonna curve in like this. And then we're gonna come down with a slant. And then there's a little bit of hair right here on the back. So we're just gonna draw it, come down and just give a little angle and just go back up. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit trickier. So now let's draw in his shoulders. So we're gonna come out. Okay, come down. Let's come back into the face, and same thing here. Okay, and then this is actually gonna be his cape. So this is part of his cape, this is his skin. So now we're gonna divide that up. And then let's come down here and draw in the logo. So we're gonna extend this line here, slant down. Right here, it's gonna slant down. Okay, and then in the middle here, you can make a little point, come down, and then we're just gonna connect those. So it's gonna be the reverse S inside. But before we draw that, let's finish up the body first before we add in the details. So right here, just come down, draw a line. Same thing here, skip a little space, come down. And then pinch it in and close that off. So this is gonna be the top of his belt. And then for his belt, it's gonna come down one section, close it off. And the detail is gonna be easy. We just gotta draw a circle. And then this is gonna be red, so I'm just gonna draw in a bar here on each side. Okay, and let's see. All right, let's just finish up this little underwear here. So we're gonna slant down and then just close it off. All right, so now let's draw in his arms, and it's gonna be nice and big. So here's the armpit, shoulders, come down, and then here's his bicep. So bracket, bracket, lower arm, just come out, and then just pinch it in, and then close it off. Okay, and then his fist is a little bit different. So we're gonna, here's his thumb, just angle it, other side, and then we just kind of connect this. And then once you connect this, we're just gonna draw one line here, so that divides up the thumb, and then two more lines for the other fingers, smaller lines. Okay, so let's draw the other side, and it's very similar. So here's the armpit, shoulders nice and wide, here's the bicep, bracket, and then again lower arm, come out, and then pinch it back in, close it off. And then the fist is going to be pretty much the same, so just reverse. So angle, back, closes off, and then here's the thumb, dividing the thumb, and then again two smaller lines for the fingers. All right, yeah, so it's kind of cool looking. It's cartoony, but looks cool. All right, so then for his legs, we're just gonna come down. So this one's easier. Just come down, just come in slightly, and we just make a V shape. Okay, and then now we're gonna extend this line slightly for his boot, and then we're just gonna come down. Just give it a little bit of angle there. You don't, if you want to come down straight, that's fine too. And then just curve it. So his legs are foot. His foot is really simple. So same thing here. We're gonna slant down, come in slightly, draw a little V shape, extend the line slightly, come down. Same thing here. I'm just gonna add a little bit more angle right there, and then curve it back. All right, and then let's see his cape. Yeah, so just straight down here. So I'm just gonna start here, come down past his fist. So same thing here. I'm just gonna come down. I'm just gonna go in all the way across. Maybe I add a little bit of angle there, make it a little bit more interesting. And then we can add in a couple of lines just for folds. Okay, and then let's see for the S, this part, yeah, this part's a little bit tricky. All right, so let's take it step by step. So right in the middle here, come down, curve. Okay, right here, come down, curve, stop here. So this is basically like a bubble letter. Come across and then just draw a little angle there. And then come across. So this part is going to be red. And then on this side here, you can draw a V shape first. And then we're going to come down, just kind of come around the V shape. All right, so we'll see that better once I color this. And then if you want to draw the base, so the base is really easy. Just make a dot here, make a dot here, and then we're going to draw one curve going this way. And then we're going to extend this, slant it out, and then we're going to draw the same curve but just wider. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the back here. So same curve as this, but just the reverse. So we're gonna curve up behind the foot and then just connect that. And that is it for this Bizarro from Teeny Titans app. So hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.